guys, this is Grandma Cheap Cheap, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen here in southern Colorado. I wasn't planning on doing another video tonight, but my shipment from Omaha Steaks came, and I want to put it in the freezer, and I also want to do an unboxing, so here we go. Omaha Steaks is the company I chose this year to send to my daughter and their families, my daughters and their family. I don't give individual grandkids any gifts anymore. That gets real pricey, but I do give a family gift. And everybody in our family are carnivores. We do eat meat, and we eat well, as you can see. And I sent a selection to both daughters and to my pastor. This is a result of my rewards that I got from ordering from Omaha Steaks. So this almost is free. So let's see what it is. I'm going to open it off camera. Well, I'm going to open the packaging because I don't want my camera to shake. I have a little shakiness going on, and I'm just trying to upload videos again. Okay guys, I'll see you in 2 and 2. Okay guys, I've taken the shrink wrap off. I'm trying to get some lighting in here. One day I'm gonna perfect this thing, but my package came in a shrink wrap over this styrofoam ice chest, and oh, it's cold. And it says highly perishable frozen products, your order. Oh, okay. Your order, what's in here, and let's see, shall we? It's frozen, definitely, and I forgot even what I chose because it's been a week. It took a week. Omaha Steaks, prepare to smile. Okay, I'm gonna open this little package and see what I have here. Italian dry salami, smoky dry salami, and calabrese salami. I did remember kind of, oh wow, ordering these because I plan to have a cheese and a meat and cheese tray, and I thought this would be, especially since I was using my rewards, that this would be a little better than I could get at the store. And let's face it, I shop Walmart. Okay, so we have 3 salamis. I got a thank you package and how to recycle your cooler. It's cooler to recycle, it says. Okay, let's see. Omaha Steaks, and this is, oh, potatoes au gratin. Everything but the steak. Let's see. I think it's 4 in here. And I figured me and Misty could have this with the salad at lunch. Oh my goodness. It's not what I thought au gratin potatoes would be. It looks like potato balls, which is fine. And it's for 8 of those. And they're pretty hefty size. This and a salad would be great. Okay. Prepare to smile at your Omaha steaks. Okay. And, oh, filet mignon. Unconditional guarantee. Okay, we'll see your gourmet steaks and a cooking chart. And on the back of this, I know it's filet mignon. So we have 4 filet mignon. Look like the marbling is quite good. Look at that smoke coming out of it. Okay. 4 filet mignon. We'll enjoy those. And this is, I think it's tri-tips. Filet mignon tenderloin tips, and it's a pound. Can't really tell because it's so frozen, but I only bought one thing. I only paid for one thing in this box, and that is the salami that I'm going to have on my cheese tray. I also got, it seems as though this is a coupon, the unconditional guarantee, a box of information about the cooler, my order form, and this is also packed with dry ice. Ooh. And in a nice little styrofoam box. So if you want to order, I'll put the information down in the description box, and should you decide to order something, you could give them my name, and that will afford me to get more rewards points. You don't have to, I'm just saying. So until next time, guys, this is Grandma Cheap Cheap. Be blessed.